welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Here in this channel we talk about relaxed tech care, hair growth tips, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video is actually a very exciting one. I don't know if you guys can see the excitement on my face, but I'm actually very excited to see this video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing or a haul of my new product. If you missed my last video, please do check it out, because in that video I talked about the fact that I was changing my hair regimen. I talked about the things I was changing. I talked about what I wanted to achieve from the change. So please do check out that video in case you missed it. So one of the things I talked about in that video was that I plan to try new products. So I bought a ton of new products, accessories, tools, and all that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So yeah guys, this is the packaging, or this is the box, whatever you like to call it. So I got this from Diva Luxury Hair Wig Tools and Salon from Instagram, and it was actually a same-day delivery because the supplier was actually close to where I stay, so it was easy getting it. So yeah, I spent quite a hefty bill on this, and guys, this is not actually everything. Like, I couldn't get everything I wanted from her, so I actually ordered some things from other Instagram vendors that are still on their way yet to be delivered. Hopefully I get it tomorrow, and then I'll unbox that for you guys probably in another video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started with this. And I think I'm just going to be opening this with a scissors. So yeah, so I'm going to be bringing out the things one by one and sharing them with you guys. So in no particular order, I'm going to start from this. So yeah guys, I got new hair clips, and by the way, I don't think I remember how much I got each of the products, so I'll just get the receipt, or the invoice is still in here, and just insert the prices on the screen when I'm editing the video. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I have been meaning to get hair clips for the longest time. The ones I got got broken, so I have not seen to purchase ever then. And then I saw this on her store and I liked it. I think there is 10 in this packet, so I know like for the next couple of months I am not going to run out of hair clips, even if they decide to get broken. So yeah, plus I love the color as well. Isn't this cute? I don't know if I should show you guys, like just take it out and show you one. Let me just do that. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I love it. So yeah, that's it for the hair clip. Now I'm going to move on to the next item. Moving on. So yeah, the next things here are rollers. I know a couple of you guys have been requesting for a roller set video, and guys, it is finally time to film that. That video is long overdue. So during my next YG routine, I am probably gonna roller set my hair, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Honestly speaking, I wanted to get like bigger rollers because this is the S large relax. I wanted to get S jumbo. I actually made a mistake in the order. I wanted to order for S jumbo, but I mistakenly ordered S large, and I can't return them, so I don't really know like the size and the length of my hair. Let's just see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, that's it for the rollers, and I love the color as well. Pretty cute. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys that I got is this. Now you may be wondering why I got a dye set. And guys, no, I don't plan to dye my hair. I have never ever dyed my hair, and I don't plan to do that, at least not anytime soon. So I got this to use for my relaxer. So let's just say this is like a relaxer kit to me, a bowl for mixing my relaxer, brushes for the application, because I want to try out a brush, like applying a relaxer with a brush on my hair, and see the difference it makes in comparison with using my hands. So yeah, that is why I got this. can't wait to try it out. So moving on, the next thing I got is spray bottle. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I apply all my products on my hair with my hands, even my oil. So this was actually long overdue and I'm so happy I purchased this. Like I said, I'm going to be inserting the prices of all the items on the screen. So the next thing I got this, let me take it out so that you guys can see it fully. So this is basically a straightening brush, a two-side straightening brush. So usually during my silk press or my flat iron routines, I use the chase method, but I use a comb to do that, like a small tooth comb. So I saw this online and decided to get it. So instead of using the comb, I want to try out the brush and see the difference it makes. So really excited to try this out. In fact, I am excited to try out all the products I got. So yeah, moving on, let me just quickly keep this back. So moving on, the next product is the VO5 clarifying shampoo. Yeah, I've reviewed this product before on my channel. I've used it before. I just ordered it because I needed a refill. I am almost out. So yeah, moving on, the next is the VO5 pomegranate bliss with grapeseed extract moisturizer shampoo. So I decided to get a moisturizer shampoo from the VO5 line. Like I said in one of my previous videos, the VO5 has a lot of varieties when it comes to their shampoos and conditioners, and yeah, it has a moisturizer shampoo as well. So that is why I decided to get it for when I need like a moisturizing effect on my hair whenever I want to shampoo my hair. So yeah, that's it for the shampoo. The next thing I got, which I am so excited about, but not the most excited about. The product I'm even most excited about is not here yet. So it's part of the things I am waiting for, which I'm going to show you guys in another video. But I am excited about this as well, and that is the Afrogy Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Guys, do you know how long I have been seeing this product on YouTube? Like, when I started researching about hair care, this was one of the first things I came across, and having this in my hands and the fact that I am going to be able to try this on my hair feels very exciting. Like, I can't wait to try this out on my hair. And I got a big size 16 ounces or 473 milliliters. So yeah, that's it for the Afrogy Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. So moving on, other products I got the Aussie deep conditioner, guys. Aussie 3-minute miracle moist deep conditioner, guys. When I say that, I have been looking for this product for ages, and one of the reasons why I'm excited about having all these things in my hands right now is because I have been looking for them for ages. Like, it's not as if I never wanted to try them before. I've wanted to try them for ages, but they were not so readily available like where I stay. In fact, getting all these was a struggle, and that is why I was not able to get everything from one place. Most of the products I were looking for, like online when I check Instagram stores and order, their locations were in Lagos, and shipping those items from Lagos to my current location is going to take time, which I don't have time for because I plan to wash my hair, like I said, in a few days. So I don't have that time. So that is why I tried as much as possible to look for stores close to me that had this product. And guys, when I say it was a struggle, like getting everything together like this took me like over 2 weeks. 2 weeks of continuous researching. Like, guys, it was hectic. But I am happy that it was all worth it, apart from the fact that it did cost a little bit of coins. But yeah, as long as we get the results we are looking for, there's no problem. So yeah, Aussie Moist Deep Conditioner. Next is the Silk Elements Heat Protectant. So if you guys didn't know, I have been using serum like heat protectants, which are usually heavy in consistency, but this is actually lighter in weight, and I love the fact that it is sprayable, like you can spray it, unlike my other head protectants that you have to like manually put on your palm and rub on your hair. So you can spray it, and I feel it is lighter weight, so it is less likely to weigh your hair down compared to my old heat protectant. So I'm excited to try this out and see how my hair will look like after a silk press. So can't wait to try this out. So moving on, the next thing I got was this. Not really much about this, is just for mixing my relaxers. So the relaxers kit I got, or the relaxer set I got, doesn't have like something for mixing it, so that's why I decided to get this for mixing the relaxers. Yeah guys, when I say I am prepared for this upcoming relaxer routine or relaxer day, I can't wait. All right, so the next thing I got is this. So this is a bristle round brush. So yeah, I got this for my straightening routines, blow drying, especially blow drying. So I can't wait to see how this makes my hair look like after blow drying my hair. So moving on, the next thing I got is this. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. I'm going to take it out of this. So guys, this is a scalp massager. When I say I am excited about this, like I don't have to get my hair soiled when I'm massaging oil into my scalp, and I can even use this to wash my hair or my shampoo this. Guys, like I'm tired of saying I'm excited, but I am excited. All right, so all these products, I can't wait to try them. It's they are all so different from what my hair is used to, from what I used to do to my hair, and it's one of the reasons why I'm excited, and it's one of the reasons I said in my last video that my hair regimen change is drastic. Not just the products, even the routines, like what I'm going to be doing. In fact, you'll have to check out my last video. So yeah, that's for that. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. So this is like a cotton headband, so cute. I wanted it in black, but she was out of black, so I had to get the pink. So guys, this time around, I am prepared for my hair. So my hair should be prepared for me, all right? So this is how it looks like. So basically, it's just a headband. So I can use it to keep my hair out of the way, style my hair whichever I want to use it for. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this back. So guys, the next product I'm going to be showing you is this. So I didn't really order for this. This is a rat's tail comb. So she was so nice to gift me this. So this was actually a little gift, like a thank you appreciation gift for my orders and all that. And like guys, this is so cute, and that was so nice of her. Actually, like when I saw it, I was happy. Yeah. So and yeah, included in the delivery or in the box is this little thank you card. So it says, thank you for your order, we hope you enjoyed Behavior products. So their address, contact, and everything is on here. Then at the back it says Bediva Luxury Wig Tools and Salon. So cute. That's it. And yeah, this is my invoice. So I think by now I should have put the products or the price of each of the products on the screen. And guys, I spent a whooping ₦27,100. Yeah, I know for some people this may be small, but for me it is big because I have never spent this much on hair products before. I don't even think, okay, I've spent up to 10,000 on hair products before, like when I'm about to do my relaxer routines and all that, but not more than that, guys. 27,000 and still counting because the products are not even complete. So when my other products come, I'm going to like add everything together and give you guys like a total estimation of how much I spent for this whole hair prep or relaxer prep or HD prep or hair regimen prep stuff routine and all that. And you know, this is everyone minus delivery charges, because I think I spent about 2,000 naira for delivery charges. So adding that to this is about 29,100 naira, guys. That is about 30,000 naira just for the first batch of products. You know, I feel after this crazy shopping, I am not going to buy hair products for the next couple of months. Like, guys, spending this much. So that's it for the hair products I got. They're kind of scattered and all over the floor right now. I don't know if I'm going to insert a clip, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comment section down below which of these products you've tried and which of the products I showed you is your favorite, or if you've not tried any of the products, let us know in the comment section down below which you would like to try. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you can become part of the family. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.